Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to see how can we select rows from a data frame based on certain column values. First we are going to import our pandas library. So I'm going to run this cell. Then in my next cell I'm going to create a data frame. And here I have created a bookshelf dictionary through which I'm going to create a data frame. This bookshelf dictionary has three key value pairs. First key is book, which is having different names of books as its value. Second key is author, with values of different authors who have written the above mentioned books. Third key is units, which tells number of books available in a particular store. So I'm going to run this cell. Now I'm going to create a data frame from it by using Dataframe function. And in that data frame function, I'm going to pass this dictionary, bookshelf. And I'm going to assign it to a variable, let's say df. Let's run this cell. So now you can see that a data frame has been created by using the dictionary with columns book, author and units with their respective values. So now we are going to select rows whose column values equal some value. For example, suppose we want those books whose author is only Gujral Patni. So I'm going to write an expression which will fetch only those rows whose author is Gujral Patni. And for that I am going to use a lock method. And in this lock method I am going to give my condition. So when my author is equal to Gujral Patni, only those rows will be returned. So running this cell. So you can see that when I gave my condition where author is equal to Gujral Patni, lock method will return only those rows whose author is equal to Gujral Patni. And since there were only two books whose author was Gujral Patni, therefore only two rows have been returned. Now we will see an example where we want only those books whose author is not Gujral Patni, which means I will be getting all those books whose author is not Gujral Patni, which means I will be getting all these three rows. So let's write an expression for this. So here also I'm going to use my lock method, and this time I'm going to use my units column along with greater than equal to operator. So what this greater than equal to operator will do is it will return only those books which are present more than 200 in a store. Similarly, writing another expression. And this time I am going to use less than equal to operator with value 1000. So what this less than equal to operator will do is it will return only those books which have units less than 1000 in our store. And to separate these two operations, I will be using an operator called ampersand. And I will separate these two expressions with parentheses. And this one also. So now let's run this cell. So we can see that we have received only those books whose units were greater than equal to 200 and less than equal to 1000. So this is how we can select rows from a data frame based on given conditions. So this is how we can select rows from a data frame based on certain column values. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in next video.